Hello, friends! Welcome back to Lesson 6. This is the 6th lesson of writing Chinese characters. Up till now, how is your practice going? If you haven't watched the previous videos, please go through them as the characters in this lesson are going to be more complicated. You need to make sure that you can write all the basic characters from Lesson 1 to 5. Let's start from the stroke orders. 撇折, left falling to turning stroke. It is like in doing a half triangle. For example, the part highlighted in red for M and 东. 斜钩, the slanting hook. It starts from the top left and end in the lower right. The bottom line should be slightly arched. Then we finish off with a hook. For example, the part highlighted in red for 我 and 前. 提, the rising stroke, which is written from the bottom left to top right side. For example, the part highlighted in red for 我 and 打. 东 means the east. It starts with 横 and 撇折. Then we write a 竖 that crosses the 折. But please don't touch the 横. Next, we write a 撇 on the bottom left and a 点 on the bottom right. 我 means I or me. This character is much more complicated. Therefore, I will focus on the integrity of writing the character legibly and beautifully. As for the stroke order, please strictly follow this writing video. To write 我, we need to treat the middle part of 横 as the span of the character, and all the other strokes cannot be longer than it. At the same time, the 竖钩 on the left and 斜钩 on the right need to be of the same length as 横 to make 我 written in a proper square. Xie means the west. It starts from the top 横, followed by a 竖 below it. Next, on the left part, we write a 横折. Then we write a in the middle. Lastly, close the character with a 横 at the bottom. 谢谢你的收看. If you have already enrolled our courses at Chinese Studio, please download the character writing sheets from your learning portal. It comes with grid, and you can follow the correct stroke order to learn all the characters covered in this lesson. Hope this video can deepen your understanding of these characters.